Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. And in today's video, I have a network update for you guys from AT&T. I think this is an important one. This is something to really keep an eye on. Like I said in the previous video, I have no doubt, there's no doubt in my mind that AT&T goes for 40 megahertz at this auction 110. I am 100% convinced myself they need 40. It's not what they want. They need this. They really need this spectrum to close the total amount of spectrum that they'll have in their arsenal going into the what I consider a bloodbath of mid-band in 2022. So we're going to see Verizon ramp C-band this year. They're going to push that. So they want to cover 90 million pops of the top 46 PEAs by December. AT&T is out the gates is going to be slower, but we could potentially, I think, in my opinion, this spectrum in auction 110, we could see that deployed sooner than the clearing of the B and C block of C-band. This spectrum right here, this auction 110, it clears sooner than the B and C block. So outside of the top 46 PEAs, the auction 110 spectrum clears, I think as of early next year, it's already cleared. Only downside to all of these auctions, as I mentioned before, this is more cost to carry. Auction 110 is going to require new equipment for AT&T. C-band is going to require its own equipment to be deployed. And then if they participate in auction 108, that also would require them to deploy new panels on the sites. So eventually, yes, I believe I saw a comment last night. Eventually, yes, there will be panels that can do dual mid-band radios where you could possibly do the CBRS, C-band, and the other auction 110. You could do all that spectrum on one radio. But that is not yet the case. So if you want to deploy this or have any shot at a performance such as your competitors, you're going to have to deploy all the other equipment onto the site. Now, they may hold out. They very well may hold out. Who knows? We'll see. But this spectrum clears sooner than the B and the C block of C-band. Much sooner. So the cities they want to test it in is San Antonio, San Diego, St. Louis, New York City, San Jose, Las Vegas, Bedminster, and those are some of the locations they want to test. They want to get a feel on monopoles, rooftop sites, utility poles, and equipment on the side of buildings. So they want to run several configurations, just test it, period, to see how it performs and how the spectrum does overall, maybe even in reachability, penetration. They want to test it all. So definitely interesting to see that they're pushing this, especially in Ericsson and Nokia markets. Of course, they want to deploy this in both of their both of their vendors' markets. And I think they want to do so at scale, and they want to do so very quickly. And they're going to spend, I believe, big money if they need to get the 40 megahertz that are allowed in the spectrum. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. If you are new to the channel or you have been on the channel and you have not yet liked, shared, subscribed, make sure you do so. Hit that notification bell so you are notified when I do upload content. Make sure to follow my social media outlets for more updates and interactions. Thanks again for watching. This is Tyrone with Tech Life. I will see you in the next one. Peace.